Shasinikire musomo okwo ngefefe abantu be munjinji abe huli bubi nabi kubyala bibinu kimihuro kiza kihisa bizi byese khobezizakanira mungo khobezizakana ibizi byeshi byezinguru bye kimihura munana mukunda zingururu eziharayanga ba isinomelano ingururu yakhalo mulirwano sene sengonera khubungengenga nayembere nimbuka yose tsana nisiyitsa inzihisi.
With the MWARES project, our focus basically we were using the PIP approach. This approach basically empowers communities to take charge of their situation, recognize that the challenges that they are faced with as a result of environmental degradation, encroachment, the landslides, all these are partly as a result of their own creation.
Shesi nakhalo nimbe PI nebona biyangafu byesindi nebo mukunda kosenge mama bira ibyesifu no matawe nalo mini khesome lisomeli none senamo mbe bulai efe PIP kisi yakhulerera khushalo shefe shino yakhulerera kamasomo kese khabonitsa ko khatawe kumukasa kwe khuba ni plan yese yo munzu ni plan yefe yo munzu ni engeli yese khutyanga khulambira kho kimilime kyecho buli mulimo khubonenga khukulamba ni kamasomo kena ko nefa khwakatsira kho kasoma ali khwabona nibyo byese yakhulerera bye kumukasa nayo nga MWARES shiri hutsa abe butsibu bwese khuli ni nebo mungo mwefe abe papa ni babana sakhulambira kho kimilima atwera ta aliri abe kimilima kyase baloma ba kimilima kyakhira mai ne mai na kumulimo kukuli kwa papa sese kuli kukoseta
ni family yese urambira atwera ishusa yashuhire abe kuma taise khwafara khuruta yari ngo byala bibi kholima khola atwera biro biri fira shuhire bulai kariya ndamu na bulai bire biri mbona habulai atako kukhala khulya bulai atako kukana bulai wena mpaka yefe wakhala kana to khawulisana munga mwefe ngana khukhala mbuchero mose mangule tinandutu ngana kana hina yamul nasengo wakana nasemulira farekera sana khola atwera sikhubusa nata khoramba bulai kimima chefe munga mwefe farekera chitefe khutila atwera rinda inabe
ala khwa kama aota khushirosera busa khusomisa ni babandi nebo bafunira khubalirwana befawo nebo bekomba balinya lisoma lino molifuna mulyene nefa khukana muhu nefa khulisoma khubakopo kale khushironsera khusoma lisome khusomisa babandi lisomeryo lishitsya mumoni
sese khusomisa abantu besi basindikha mubyalo nebange mbasomisa lisoma nabonenga shebananyala khukhola khusoma ta nabenge somisino mabanu PIP approach ngenambisa chiminyao ni khukhola ni chimiyenyi niyo nanyalisana khusomisa abantu atebeyika khubirira khusoma mu PIP approach mukunda mose nali matsimbu biro sahi nabyala kalyandula khunulo khuno bambola bakasitoli maluhu biro byalo kho kalyandula mbali sana beyiko mu binu bikali kirengenda nine bongenga nemba misoko kamachisi alabe nikombe nebo khali betsile bakhusomisa ngefefe balala babafana ngesi nibo bakholanga nisenengola.
We had always wondered why Bududa is always suffering with landslides, but what I discovered is that we are suffering because of landslides because of our environment. Before the Environment Club came into existence in our school, we had known some little about how to conserve and preserve the environment, but not like as we know right now. We make terraces, we do other things like planting trees. So there are many things that they taught us about the environment.
We also sat down as the village. We identified the problems facing the village. We have the action plan. We decided to do community work. Every Wednesday, we have to maintain the road and the home hygiene and sanitation. You cannot plant trees one person from the park to the sub-county. That activity is big. We decided to plant it together, we started together and we made it.
The park has faced degradation through cultivation, through timber cutting, and through settlement itself. And we are working with the communities to restore the area.
Kobenga mukonga ngumi mubiri yao khutsa sese khomukhosa paka ngumi 15 ngumi 16 ngatsinda lotseba mukari bapaka ninefe bali bebulafu ali tsinda lotsingali nabi okubanga abe khwayingira busa shisali khukhala tsimba nga khumenya makholi mama kumutawano kosi kuli.
We found that we can work together to see that the communities manage the soil, plant trees on their own woodlots, then in the future this forest will be safe from degradation.
Kabalo mbali kimisala olusi khwetsa khubukula khunasari ukhoba khunasari ikindi nyala yabona ati nabukula kimisala narera khwaira khwabyara ari kira khwamakhala nalumengesesi khengalo endo enasari ila namkhoro enasari yo sai nasari liyane simubonei yashushile mbisere bino yasalisa tsena sari khuminatsi natsibilisa indi tsena sari 13 ngaba isikhulomerano khwalonda khashiko khana resource committee khamba kanisa basiri khale khamba kanisa ne bantu bali bulafu khwatsa khabyala kimitari bawa sai ni nef bamanyinela bari kimiti kinenga khutsefa khola khuno khuri kili cheba community ni nefewo fe khuchilinda era nabo bachilinda.
I think the greatest change that we have been able to observe over these years is the positive mindset change towards issues of environmental conservation, towards issues of working together as a community, collaborating with each other. The other change that I've seen is that we have been able to bring leaders at district level, at sub-county level, closer to the communities.
We looked at the plan and we said, according to our plan, this is what we can achieve. Then we increased on our lobbying styles. We lobbied the district local government. They gave us water. As I talk now, I'm a coordinator of a platform called MWARES. That platform is now to see that there is sustainability of what MWARES has started.
No single partner is able to achieve results single-handedly. So through this collaboration, we are able to pool resources together. We are able to share ideas together as stakeholders within the watershed.
We work together with the districts, together with the platform members to integrate some of these proposed activities in our individual work plans, and this has helped.
We have incorporated in our plan and the budgets for the district the activities of MWARES so that they can be part of the whole planning system of the districts.
So if we want to rescue and conserve the watershed, then we must include all the stakeholders that fall within that watershed, because the impact is revolving and affecting the entire watershed. And then also work with the communities who are key stakeholders in the watershed.
munyende muno abe mama shintu shilime mama kusala tayi mama buwatwela nalinga khwasiya khulolera chimisoma cha PIP khwabonenga khwashusiwa
ife nga village ipulani yefe sekhokholese khubonela khobonanga khulime ninjenda endayi ta khwekhalasi khwaloma khuli khukana khulime lukudo khube ninzira injenda.
So from the Environment Club, we have got some ideas that we have transported and brought back home that we are now using home to sustain a good environment. We started projects like apiculture, like poultry. We have planted some trees in our home compound. I see with what we have somehow done, I see the future becoming brighter every day, just brighter every day.
Kumulanga kwesingupira bandu balala bakhali bemunyende ta mbapiliseni baambe chimisoma cha PIP basome bulayi ate bamenyishe khukhola nabo kana mubisinza byawe bikhola shina bibenga bishuha.